To change your combination, reach inside the SnapSafe drop box and press and hold the reset button. Your drop box comes with the factory preset of 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you enter that code, you can now reach inside and press the program key for 3 seconds. Now you can enter in your new code one time. Now I have to hit that program key one more time. The second time I enter in the program key. It's now ready to accept my new combination of 2424. To silence the keypad for silent entry, all you have to do is hold down the 1 button for 3 seconds. Once the keys blink, that indicates that it's in silent mode.